Hi guys, I'm going to, for your last video, going to show you what a training session will look like once Walter comes home and you're doing some daily training to maintain and improve the behaviors. So first thing you need to do is make sure you have everything that you'll need for your training. So I'm going to use this bowl and then I have some treats ready, and this is just little pieces of cut up cooked chicken, but you could use his kibble, you can use little dog treats. I use soft like jerky treats sometimes. You can use Cheerios. Really anything that he's willing to work for is totally fine. I like to use the dog's meals to train a lot of the time, especially with puppies. It's a great way to get them enriched and trained and fed all at once. So what you're going to do is you're going to start by kind of putting him through his paces with the behaviors that he knows: sit, down, touch, and wait and release. So we're just going to run him through those a couple repetitions each, and then we'll do a stay, and that will be the entirety of the training session. So you can do it a couple times a day, and it just keeps him sharp. And then with a few of them, it'll be how we move along the behaviors, how we make them a little more challenging. So we're just going to start with a few sits, downs, and touches. Touch. Yes. Boy. Walter, touch. Yes. Boy. Walter, touch. Yes. Get it. Over there. Walter, touch. Yes. Good boy. Walter, sit. Yes. Walter, sit. Yes. And I'm throwing the treat to get him up to reset him for the next repetition. Walter, sit. Yes. Good boy. Walter, sit. Down. Yes. Walter, sit. Down. Yes. Boy. Walter, sit. Down. Yes. Good job, buddy. So you can just do like 3 to 5 repetitions of each one of those. And then we're going to practice wait, which means that he's going to wait to take a treat either from my hand or on the floor. And each time you do this, I want you to use maybe something different, so that he starts to generalize that wait means wait regardless of what you have. Wait. Okay. Good boy. Wait. Okay. Wait. Okay. Wait. Okay. Good job, buddy. So now we'll do a few stays. And with stay, we're always going to be working on either duration, distance, or distraction. Duration is how long the stay is, and he's done up to about 20 seconds. Distance is how far you are from him, and then distraction is how distracting the environment is. And you'll have a little more information about that in your take-home sheet and then when we do our session tomorrow. But today I'm just going to do a few stays. We're going to do one duration and one distance. Okay? So first we want to put him in a down. I've been teaching him in a down stay because I like that a little better. It's a little more comfortable. So I'm just going to tell him stay. And then I'm going to do like a 10 to 15 second count in my head. Okay. Good boy. Good job, buddy. Okay, touch. Sit. Down. Stay. So now we're going to do one with distance. I'm just going to kind of turn around and walk away. Okay. And I always return before I release him because I want him to know he's supposed to stay there until I get back. One more. Walter, touch. Sit. Down. And I'm just using the touch to get him into position. Stay. Okay. Good boy. Good job, buddy. That was so good. So that's what a training session is going to look like. And I'm just going to have you guys do that, a couple of times a day. You can rotate through family members. In fact, it's ideal if you do so that he learns to respond to the cues with everyone. But he's doing great. And as long as we keep this up, his behaviors are only going to continue to get better and better. So happy training. Good boy, buddy.